Kublai pi sai sempat akan ega kenti nganya le ban hikai pi kumno ban solve ya kini ki problems jong kini ki trigonometric ratios. Lai ne if sin theta is equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of cosec theta tan theta plus cot theta. Ti hami layon lupa pai ngan tho ne ya kene ka solution jong kene. So we are already given ada lupa sin theta is equal to 1 by root 3, sin theta ngintip kete perpendicular by hypotenuse. Tengah labu ne 1 but to hypotenuse root 3. Te bengin dupla ban what ya kene ka base in hap penengkam tak kene ka Pythagoras theorem x square is equal to p square plus b square. Pindah p p hanya mentap sasutu ngitam kami p square ta irano x square setai minus p square. So h hanya di root 3 whole square di 3 1 square di 1, so 3 minus 1 is 2. So new square darah setai ukulalong root 2. Di menta es kem pila nang hi banle ikatu di ni hap what ya kene ka value jong ne cosec theta is divided by tan theta plus cot theta. Te cosec theta ni napai nang ni divan kan mo cosec theta de u inverse relation jong sin to sin de perpendicular by hypotenuse tomot kene kan long hypotenuse by perpendicular tan ka de perpendicular by base cot pa ka de base by perpendicular. Ta halor jong kane ni nyale ban wa mta hypotenuse hangte de root 3 u ne base hane mane de root 2. So hypotenuse kadai root 3 perpendicular kadai 1, so root 3 upon 1 perpendicular by base hanya kalong 1 divided by root 2 plus kene pat kalong root 2 divided upon 1 divided by 1. Te kene ka root 3 divided by 1 number anything upon 1 is that number itself, so on ini root 3 te kene root 2 upon 1 kami kumtu dengan le ame benda is equal to kene kadai root 3 ka LCM root 2 but 1 kadai root 2 kan ma wan tho u equal kumne but no line u wan apreng jo kine ne de root 2 divided by root 2 is 1 into 1 kami 1 plus hane number root 2 divided by 1 te ni multiply by down root 2 into root 2 kami 2 une root 2 unsa ki uno salor te unsa kalalong root 3 into root 2 divided by 3. The root 3 into root 2 kami root 6 divided by 3 or ka answer jo kane kami 1 by 3 root 6 kane ka answer. Now next can be so through ikani badada fi percent ikani pin sa sedang bernang bende ikini ki sums kai ka balong kabae ane kamdan ye kabae ane kadai tang bangintip ya kini ki ratios cosec theta hypotenuse by perpendicular tan theta perpendicular by base cot theta by base by perpendicular. Te habang ila tho ya kane kane ibu kanya ka value joki da ka tu bang ila draw kane but ba solve the Pythagoras theorem but ikne baro ki de simplification hangne une root 2 number udan 1 plus 2 ne de numerator jong kane ka denominator ne so 1 plus 2 kolong 3 une root 2 kyo no chalor multiply root 3 into root 2 kolong root 6 by 3 ni la ban tho 1/3 of root 6 kane ka answer jong kani ketika answer dan kejawab jong ketika kejingkli bagai skem da pi persan da di pinsa la shu shu bande kublish bon na berbor sa dan banyak pi